Hello students, today we will learn how to connect a Java program to a MySQL database. So here we will learn how to connect your Java program to a MySQL database. So firstly you will have to get connected with the MySQL server. So what all steps we need to follow to get connected? These are the steps to perform these. Number one, you will have to create a Java project. And once you have created your Java project, then you will have to download your MySQL MySQL to Java to MySQL connector, and that will be downloaded in the form of .jar file. So you need to download MySQL Java connector jar file. Then third comes out, include MySQL .jar file in your Java project, and that actually you will be doing in the class, in the project by using build path of that. So then you can configure. Then after that you can configure. Once you have done all these three steps, then you can move to configuring to your Java project connection with the MySQL server and then to database. So here inside Java project you need to create a class file. In the class file you will write your code, and then after having done that, then you can extract data from the database table. And once you have extracted data, then you can display that data there, so that it will be clear that you have got connected with the MySQL database. And then after that one, after having set all these configuration properly, then you can execute that project. And as a validation, as I said, you will be able to see information or records available in the table of that database. So let us go one by one to perform this in Eclipse. So here, first of all, I'll create a project. So click here, go to new, and click on the project. Here you can click on Java project. Here you can give this project name as JDBC project, and then you can click on next. Then you can click on finish. And once you have done, then you can say here no. And once you have done that, you will be able to create your project. And inside the project, in the src folder, you can create a class file. And that class file, you can give this class file name as jdbc connect. So click here in the public static void main, so that it will come automatically there, and then you can finish it. And once you have done, after that, leave it here as it is. Then go to your web browser, click here, and go to your web browser. In the web browser, you can click on new tab, type here download mysql connector, mysql connector, mysql java connector. And which one you want? Here I will be going with the 8.0.33. So this I will click on this, and here you can scroll down. Here you can see uh, developer deb.mysql.com, and click on this. And here now you can go to archives, and in the archive pick out the whichever you are looking for, so 8.0.33, and select here platform independent, and then click here the higher byte one. So it is having 4.8 megabyte. So you can click on this, and you can see this here. This name is also written mysql dash connector dash j 8.0.33. It's a zip file. So click on this. When you will click, it is getting downloaded. So once it will get downloaded, what you will see here, folder will be appearing here. So in the folder, you can click on that folder. Then so just wait a minute. So it has come here. So click on this. Now you will see that it is here. So leave it as it is, and leave it as it is. Then you can move to your Eclipse now. So click on the this either you can extract it here, please just extract it. It will be nice that the files will be available. Extract it and say OK. 8.003 has been extracted, and now it is here. And as a whole, if you want to include, because you according to the option available there, you can include even zip file or jar file. So now move to your Eclipse, and in the Eclipse, first of all, go to your project, JDBC project, and here go to build path. In the build path, configure your build path now for this connection, for this connector, MySQL connector. So here you can see there are so many tabs appearing. Go to libraries. In the libraries, you will be seeing class path. Click on this. Then after that, you will be seeing add external jars. Click on this, and here you can see this MySQL connector J.8.0.3 is there. Click on this, and then you can apply it, and apply and close. So once you have done, now you can start making your program. So once you have included your jar file, now you need to code it. So first of all, how you will start it? You will be connecting to that connector. So here you need to specify connector is com dot mysql dot, then here you can put cj dot, then jdbc dot, then here you will be including driver class. Close it and then terminate it. Once you have done, now create a connection for this. So how you will create a connection? You will have to use connection class of SQL, my SQL package. So even what you can do, you can write here java dot import command, import java dot my SQL dot here are so many C connection, driver manager, all are there. You can say star, means everything will be included now. So connection, then con, and what you will be using? You will be using driver manager for this. So first of all, you need to use driver manager class, driver manager dot, and what you want to do? You want to set a connection. So connection to where you will have to specify your URL here, wherever you want. It can be on website or it can be on a local server. So right now I'll be doing it on a local server. So let me define my URL. So URL is, here again you need to put JDBC, then MySQL, then here you can put your localhost, and then you can put the port number. So 3306 is the port for MySQL, and then you can specify even your database. So my database is employee, and then even you can specify with this database, you can put here the URL as well. So I'll give your username and password. So I'll give here username is root for MySQL, and as well as password is again root. And this is done, then you can terminate it. Then you can terminate it. Once this has been done, now come down. URL, it will be user, and here password you can put as pass, or I'll directly put it here. I'll not give it here because otherwise I'll have to take two more string. So I'll give here root, and password is again root. Done. Now after this I'll be coming down. So now it is showing some asking to do some try catch block. So I'll do that, but before that I will, once I have set the connection, I'll need a statement. For this connection I'll be creating statement now. Statement equal to con dot, then I'll create statement method, and then I will terminated. Once create statement has been called, after this you need to create a result set. So what you will write, result set, let us put it rs equal to stmnt statement dot, what you need to do, you need to execute your query, because now the statement what which you have created for this connection, and for this connection means from this server for this database, and for which table you need to specify here that connection. So I'll put that connection inside a SQL string. So here I'll define that as well. So I'll write here string, then my SQL string will be select star from EMP tab. This EMP tab and database must be in your SQL MySQL please. Then only you will be able to call it there. If it is not there, it will be showing you error. Now once you have done, then it is saying to put it in the try catch block. So what, let us do it please here. So I'll surround it with try catch. So it has come and it is my try catch. So I have placed it inside the try catch. I'll put it everything inside the try catch so that this will be code will be tested properly. Then here I need to throw exception, because here I will have to throw exception, class not found exception, and as well as SQL exception. So throws SQL exception, SQL exception. Here IO exception first, IO exception, and then I'll put it as SQL exception also, because the if record not found, then SQL exception will be thrown. So it is here you need to import this exception from IO exception. So Java IO. So it has been the exception has been imported, and then after this here it is class not found. So I'll have to make one more please. That is before this I'll put SQL exception. So if there anything in the class not found exception, I'll put it as, otherwise I'll have to call it here instead of IO exception. You can define here class not found exception, class not found exception. If it is there, so this error will be handled by this. I have defined these two exceptions there, and as well as SQL exception. So let us make it SQL exception, SQL exception. Now both of these exceptions have been are being handled by catch. So once this has been done, now here you need to get the data from the table, because see here we need to write, we need to scan through the database. So I'll write while rs dot next, and then it will be displaying all the record of this. So system dot out dot println, and here I'll be able to display rs dot see, first one is my employee number, so I'll put it as that is integer. So what you will write here, you will call the method get int, because my employee number is in integer. So I'll put it that will be my first one. Then plus, I'm trying to display my records please here, employee number and name. So again rs dot get name will be in string, so I'll write get string, and that will be column number 2. Then after that the third one is again integer, so rs dot space, you need to put little space here please, rs dot, here you will be calling rs dot get int, again salary I have given integer, so that is my third column. So I have done it and I have terminated the string. Once it has been, it will keep on rotating until the record is there, and it will be displaying all the record. And after that you can close this connection. So connection closed, you have got con object of the connection, and here you can put close. Once it has been done, keep in mind by default the first statement is will automatically get executed again and again and again till the records are available in the file. So once this has been done, now you can save this program and now you can execute it here. After having done this, you can execute this. So here just go click on this, and first of all please make sure that employee is available in the database, and there is one employee database is available in your server. This is one, and second, emp tab should also be there. So once you can open your mysql and check it out, please. mysql, click on this, click enter your password, root, and here first of all you need to see databases. So here you will type show databases. Here you can see there are so many databases available, and I will be using employee. So here you can use employee. Once employee has been used, now as if you want to see show tables in the employee, so here I have got emp tab. So select star from emp tab. So now you can see some data is available there. Employee number in the beginning there are 0, but the other one has been given there. Employee number, name, and salary. Now this we have seen here. So we as as a successful connection, we will be able to see all these things through our program. So let us move to now Eclipse, please. And here once we have done this complete connection from this with the help of this class uh, you know class for name with this connector, and then we have connected to localhost, then we have connected to localhost with the database, and then we are getting connected with the help of driver manager here. Once this has been done, then we are trying to create one statement for that connection. Then once the statement has been created, then you are executing a query that has been given here, and once that has been done, then you are seeing all the records. So after having done this, now we can run this program and let us see whether our connection is successful or not. So just click on here right mouse button. You can go by this way, or you get another way as well. Here you can see here run as Java application. So click on this and you will be able to see that one. So here you can see the database which we just seen with the help of MySQL, MySQL server. Here we are able to see everything with the help of program. So this way you will be able to connect your Java program with the database. So as per if you just see here, if you just see here in the uh, you know steps, we have performed create Java project firstly, then we downloaded jar file. After that we included this jar file with the help of build path. Then we configured our program, class file uh, for the SQL connection, MySQL connection. Then with driver manager we got connected with the server and then to database, and finally having done all those things, then we executed our project. So this way these are the complete steps that we could perform in our Java program, and it is here. So with this it is done, please. So thank you very much for seeing this.